Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Here in this video I will give you a quick tips in this entrepreneurship development subject ma. So this is the top 10 tips ma. First tip is, first you should concentrate on the definition and meaning of the entrepreneurship and EDPS. Okay, this is the main core definitions and meanings which will be useful for any of the question in your final examination. Second one, learn the functions of that, like for example we have learned innovation, risk taking and opportunity spotting. This type of words you include it in your answers. And next one, EDP, entrepreneurship development program objectives. Okay, so skill development, economic growth we have learned now, just remember that concepts also. Next, idea generation concept. If you are getting an idea generation in third unit, means brainstorming, surveys, design thinking, this type of points you need to include it in that answer ma. Next one, business plan. This is fifth unit. Okay, so nature, features, for scope, objectives of that business plan is also important. And next one, feasibility. Feasibility is of third chapter or fourth chapter, I don't know that chapter. Feasibility means operation checks and economical checks, technical skills, these are all things it will get it. Okay, next one, MVP, minimal viable product, we have learned now in fifth unit, so this is also important. Next one, finance, if this is not much important. Next one, government support, MSME concept, startups, India's mobile commerce, e-commerce, yes, young and women entrepreneurs. Next one, and the last one, just prepare your past year question papers, like old previous year question papers. Just check out that question papers, I have uploaded that video also in our channel, and including that case study also you need to check out this. Okay, just be concentrate on this 10 things ma, you will able to understand everything. Okay, I hope that you have got clarity. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the best and see you all in next video. Bye bye students.